So how do we actually connect our Bluetooth speaker here, as you can see, to our PlayStation 4 but without a cable? Well, it's actually very simple, but we're not able to connect it via Bluetooth settings on our PlayStation 4. Instead, what we need to do, we're going to connect it to our TV. So what I'm going to do now on my remote is to just click on the home button to be able to be taken back to my home page right here on my TV. Then go into quick settings, then click on all settings right here. Scroll down and click on remotes and accessories. Click on pair accessory, and then before clicking on OK, I'm just gonna put this one into pairing mode by clicking on the power button and then holding until I can hear the sound like that. And then I'm just gonna click on OK. It's gonna search for the accessory now, which is fine. It's gonna find it in a couple of seconds here, hopefully. So we're just gonna wait for it to actually find our Bluetooth speakers here. So now when it has actually found it, I'm just gonna click on it. It's gonna say pairing, as you can see, and then click on pair. Perfect, now it should be done. So now what I need to do is to click on this button right here on my controller and then go back to my PlayStation 4. And you will be able to hear the sound now from this, as you can see, which is pretty cool. So you will be able to hear it from the Bluetooth speaker here instead of my TV. So this is basically exactly how to connect it here to your PlayStation 4 without a cable.